So these are my eggplants right here. I have two of them in a 7-gallon container. As your eggplant is growing, it's gonna split out to a couple of main branch. It's like one main branch, but then we have 1, 2, 3. If you could get like 3 or 4 main branch, it's fine. Especially in a container, you don't want to have too much from this eggplant, or else you're gonna be growing a lot more leaf than eggplant. Now, eggplant is just like a tomato. You see the main stem coming here? And this is your leaf. Between your leaf and the main stem, you see this right here? This is a sucker. So the sucker is always an extended piece that grows into another plant, but it takes forever to grow. If I let the sucker grow, the plant energy will basically coming off to the side instead of going upward, which is going on. So we got a lot going on to the top. The plant is about over 2 feet, and then we have a lot of unnecessary side shoots at the bottom. So what I like to do, look at the bottom right there. I clip this guy. That's 1. That's 2. And it's my fault. I'm kind of late behind of this pruning, but I'm happy I got here because I was wondering why my eggplant is taking so long to grow. Then I realized, let me give it a quick boost. And now we come up here. We have a main branch right here, but this is a sucker right here. You could bend it like that and look, comes right off. Now, I had removed 1 or 2 leaf earlier. You could remove some leaf, but don't touch the leaves on the top. You do not want to stress. Like this main branch, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then look, we have another sucker up here, but we're gonna leave this sucker up here to get more production from the top. And what we could do, we could just remove this 1 leaf. Just that 1 simple leaf. Now we turn the plant around. I'm gonna try to be gentle right there, and you could see, I don't know if you guys, so you could see right here, right between here, this is gonna try to be a little sucker, so we're gonna cut it off. We have another sucker up top here, which is the top. We could leave it, but then we have 1 more over here, which you could use your hand or a pruner or something. Yeah, you just pinch it off. So by removing these little suckers, we save a lot of time and energy for a plant to grow. So now if you want, we could remove this sucker and let the plant focus more, but I have time in this greenhouse. I do have some time. If you guys have time, you don't have to prune out the suckers in the top. Leave it in the top. It will grow. It will produce more. But this simple pruning that I did here, removing all the stuff on the bottom, the leaves in the sucker, you get more airflow and good energy source will just flow right up. And definitely, we're going to get a faster growing progress here. And if you see this, I'm going to be doing the same. I basically prune out about, let's say about 10 inches to a feet high. And then just leave everything to the top. Even like you see, I got a sucker right there. I do have time. If you have time, don't remove the suckers on the top. Let them grow. Your plant is just going to get taller. You might have to just a longer piece of wood if the sucker keep growing. If you're afraid, just remove about 2 leaves on the bottom and remove the suckers, at least about 2, 3 of them from the bottom. So this way your plant will be pushing up more energy towards upward, giving you a faster grow and a faster production harvest in less time. That's how you do a quick pruning on an eggplant. If you never know you could prune an eggplant, now you do. So if you're growing a container or you have a short garden season, you definitely want to prune. Pruning is healthy for the plant and it's better for production, better for airflow, and it will give us a faster harvest, maximum production in less time. You don't want your plant to just grow more leaf than vegetable, right? No, we need more fruit. So if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden. Do click the red subscribe button if you guys want more upcoming videos. And if you can see my sunflower, it's over about 8 feet probably now going. It's pretty cool. And I have a lot of more videos coming up. Thank you for watching GreenTGarden.